Hi, Yura. So today I'm going to explain a feature in the flow, which I have explored. It seems to be a run agent action, which I have seen in all the flows. So if I go to a record triggered flow, under interactions, we are able to see run agent. As well as if I go to auto launched flow, I also able to see a run agent. Even this is a screen flow, I'm able to see a run agent. So I explored on the run agent, how it functions. So basically this is a agent where I can include already existing agent, or if I want to create a new agent, I can do that. So I have already existing agent. So I have added this agent and I have tried to uh, create a conversation like a normal Agentforce conversation. So this is screen flow where I have added this run agent. So this is nothing but the named query API agent. So where I pass a name of an account, it will fetch the details of that particular account. So for this run agent, what are the informations we need to pass? So basically two things. One is agent request and another one is session ID. Session ID is an optional one. Agent request is a mandatory. So you need to pass something as an input. So here I am passing input message as a agent request. So the input message is fetched from the screen. So in the first screen, I have a text of input message where I will provide the user conversation. So that will be passed as a input to this run agent. So this session ID. So at the initial conversation, it won't be present. So after the first conversation with the agent, so the session ID will be present. So the session ID and the agent response. So these are default output response which we get from the agent. So I'm storing the agent response and the session ID in a separate flow variable. So why the need of session ID is because if the session ID is not present, each time it will create a new conversation. I want to loop in the same conversation. That's the reason I'm created a separate variable for session ID. I'm passing the same session ID. So the agent will be aware like already a conversation has been initiated. So what would be the subsequent conversation for that? And the agent response, what is the output I'm getting from this agent? So the agent response will be in a JSON format. So I want to pass the response and I want to get the required information. Here the message is the required information. So I am create a Apex action and I am getting the message information alone as an output. So I am passing the agent response as an input here. From the Apex action, I'm getting the message as an output. So that message I am included in a flow variable. So here it will be like a conversation of user and agent. So in order to differentiate, the input message I have added as a user. After that, I have some break tags, and again the response which I got from the agent, and I have parsed the agent response. So that will be the agent conversation. So again a break tag. So once these informations are got, so I'm again redirecting to the input screen. So here I'm displaying the message. So it will be like once a user provide a message and click on send, it will get the agent response and it will show. Again, a user provide a message and click on send. Again, it will provide the agent, get the agent response, and it will show the user and agent conversation. So this is how. So run agent is nothing but we can add an agent in a Salesforce flow, and we can get the agent response based on the input which we send. So let me quickly show the demo. So this is the screen flow run agent which I have. So let me type fetch account details. So these are some of the styles which present in the screen flow I have provided. So just click on save. So it's loading. So now I got the detail. So user, what is the information I typed? Fetch account details related to test account. So here in the agent, I got the details of the response. So at the last, would you like more information about this account or need details on related contacts? Yes, need details on related contact. Let's end this. So again, here's need details on related contact. Here is the related contact related to the test account. So now it has shown the related contact of this account. So this is a normal screen flow where I tried adding with the agent, and whether it's possible to show in a chat conversation. So it's possible. So we are able to add an agent to flow, and we are able to achieve the conversation. Thank you.